Welcome. In this video, we'll show how to install a complete solar-powered cold room system for storing fruits and vegetables safely, efficiently, and off-grid. A cold room keeps produce at the right temperature and humidity to reduce spoilage, extend shelf life, and increase the value of crops. A solar cold room combines 5 key components: solar panels for energy generation, batteries for storage, a cooling unit, an insulated room structure, and a monitoring system to track performance. Start by selecting a suitable location. Choose a flat area with good sunlight exposure, minimal shading, proper drainage, ventilation, and enough security for equipment. The cold room must be well insulated. Install insulated wall and roof panels. Ensure airtight ceiling and use a strong insulated door. Install the refrigeration unit by mounting the evaporator inside the cold room and the condenser outside. Ensure proper airflow outside the room so heat can be rejected efficiently. Install solar panels in a location with full sunlight. Use the correct tilt angle for your region and ensure panels are securely mounted. Install the electrical system. Connect solar panels to the charge controller, then to the battery bank and inverter. Always include circuit breakers and fuses for protection. Install monitoring sensors for temperature, humidity, and power. The IoT monitoring system sends real-time data to a dashboard, helping operators respond quickly to faults. After installation, commission the system. Confirm solar charging is working, battery voltage is stable, cooling starts properly, and sensor readings appear in the monitoring dashboard. In the next video, we'll cover daily operation, best practices for loading produce, and how to maintain cold room performance.